Yeah? Sir Lee, we will start now, Sir Lee. Okay? Ready? Okay daw. Oh my God. Hindi talaga ako nag-screen record, guys. Wait lang. I need to play a song. Team bracelet, guys. Bracelet din. Team bracelet, guys. Bracelet para mag-boost agad. Mag-boost. Thank you, Sir Lee. Thank you. Welcome to Ka-Inspiring Family. Bracelet muna, guys. Bracelet. Ano muna, guys, ha? Yun na. Kayo na bahala dyan. Thank you. Thank you so much talaga, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Lee. Thank you so much. Miss Chinita, shout out. Thank you. Ate Sasi, thank you. Chantal, Ralph, thank you. Chubby Legs. Sino pa? KJ. SFF thank you so much talaga. Thank you, Ate Sasi May. Guys, huwag kayong magpakampante talaga dyan. Marcin, shout out Marcin. Huwag kayong magpakampante talaga dyan, guys. Sniper yan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Sana gano'n ang ano natin, live goal. Times 3. Times 3 daw, guys. Times 3. Soon. Let's go for times 3. Ay.
New Maggie Magic Chicken Cube. Ang
Alam, may...
masarap sa tinola.
Nilaglag na talaga yung ano, booster. Oh my God, makeup box. Shucks. Oh my God, thank you. Let's Blaze. Oh, hindi ako nag-ano ha, hindi ako nag-screenshot talaga, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sir Lee, thank you so much. Times 3 na, guys. Times 3. Let's go. Thank you. Let's Blaze. Founder Yang. Kuya Jay. Thank you. Baby Kaito. Leng, thank you. Ate Macy. Let's go, guys. Sir Dan, thank you so much. Oh my God, may nag-corgi talaga. Papasayawin talaga ako ng corgi eh, no? Thank you. Sana ganun ng corgi. Let's go. Kaya yan. Wala, pakambul effect talaga si Sir Hugo. Thank you. Co-founder Astro, thank you so much. Oo nga eh, buti gumana yung booster. Kuya Christian. Thank you, Bibi Kaito. Thank you. I'm unstoppable. Ate Macy, thank you so much. Ate Precious. Kuya JS. Ate Rena, shout out. Chop Chop Fun. Shout out Chop Chop Universe. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Ate Gym Girl, thank you. Unstoppable. Oh my God, guys, ayun na, may booster na sila, guys. Ayun na nga ba, guys. May nag-i-snap na sa kanila, guys. 6, 4. Good luck, guys! Snipe! Oh my god, that's too close! Congrats, guys, that's too close. Oh my god. Okay na yun, guys. Hindi tayo binugbog. Konti lang yung lamang. Kulang yung snipe ng 1 rose. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wait, shoutout ko muna kayo. Lods Blaze, shoutout. Ralph, Sir Lee, shoutout. Mace, TBS founder Ate Milaki, Sir Dan, Chubby Legs, Sassy, Christian, AMT Farm, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. Sa lahat ng nandito, thank you so much po. Yes, manalo matalo again, manalo matalo. Ang importante is yung goals natin, di ba? Shout out again, Galaxy Empire sa lahat ng nandito. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. No, it's okay. It's okay, sir. It's okay. Shout out Team Musketeers. What? Hello, guys. Are you sure? I don't know, sir. 1 round. Oh my God. Ala, guys. Nag-1 pa. Mish Kabir, shout out. Ala, 1 more round daw. Pakiano na lang, guys. Okay, screen record. Please, screen record. Ayun, ito na, guys. Okay na sa akin na mabugbog tayo dito, guys. Nakikipag 1 round pa siya. Okay na sa akin, mabugbog tayo. Huwag nyo na yan, no? Thank you, Ate Precious. It's okay, sir. Hi, Dakota. Oh my God, from Hugo's side. Oh my God, Dakota is here. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you from Sir Hugo's friend. Thank you for coming here. Mishka Bear, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Oh my God, unexpected rematch, guys. This is an unexpected rematch from Sir Hugo. And by the way, guys, before I invite him, I already know that I'm not that strong, but I have that confident to fight for a strong content creators. Yeah, mabait talaga siya, Ate Macy. Nung una pala, nung nag-invite ako sa kanya, tapos nakita niya ako, hindi siya nagano, dalawang isip talaga. Yeah. Founder V, shout out. Thank you so much. Oh my God, ayoko umiyak. Papasayawin talaga ako ng corgi nito mamaya eh, no? Uy, ito gifter ko talaga si Sir Ralph. Thank you for the corgi. Sayang, hindi ko siya nilagay sa sa, tawag dito, sa live goals ko. Uy, umabot tayo sa top 96, guys. Daily number 96 tayo. Wow, thank you so much, guys. Oh my God. Nagpapabugbog talaga siya, guys. 100 people, shout out 100 million ka-inspiring. Thank you so much for coming. Guys, thank you so much. Oh my God. This is my first time, guys. First time doing a battle with someone who is willing to have a rematch for me to win the battle. It's not so big difference, but he don't want to win. He wants me to win. He wants us to win. So he asked for a rematch, guys. Kuya Pelby, shout out. Jacob, shout out. Tote, shout out. Yeah. From Sir Hugo's friends, thank you so much for coming into my live. Thank you for supporting. Ate Wina, shout out. Thank you also. And I guess, thank you talaga guys. Thank you so much talaga for coming. 93 na tayo guys. Oh my God, umabot tayo ng 93. Thank you so much. Sir Hugo, from my family here, from my friends here, thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you. Thank you really. I didn't expect, guys. I really didn't expected that Sir Hugo would agree to fight with someone, who is armless. So I didn't expected that he will accept my invitation talaga. That's why thank you so much talaga, sir. Thank you, really. Yes, of course. Yeah. Okay lang Ate Wen. Yeah, Dakuta, thank you so much. Love you. Thank you. Guys, Team Ka-Inspiring Family, shout out. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng nandito, thank you so much talaga. Again, sir, on behalf of my Ka-Inspiring Family, Ka-Inspiring supporters, all of my friends here supporting me right now, thank you so much for doing this with me right now. And thank you for letting me win for the second round. Thank you for your friends also there. Bye bye. Thank you again. Take care, sir. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. No, I didn't say that. I said that, Mr. Hugo, I'm ready to lose on our battle. That's what I mean. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. Guys, support Sir Hugo.